Hey, Jimmy Gessel's Garage, eh?
I'm Pat. Welcome back.
So today there's something we didn't do that we should have done a long freaking time ago. What are we doing, Pat?
Today we're going to work on getting the sway bar installed. And where'd you get the sway bar?
I got it from Renegade Hybrids. I'd have to look up to see what the name is.
But there's some assembly required and a little bit of cutting.
And no instruction.
Yeah. Well, I've seen a few things on it, but it's not a factory, bolt-on, bolt-in replacement. So we're going to see if we can figure it out and see if we got all the pieces like we were supposed to.
This car never came with one, so
yeah.
There are versions of the car that did have one, but this is not that option.
Yeah.
And this is not a stock one. This is a full-on custom, very nice piece that we got. And we're just going to figure it out.
You remember the diameter of the bar?
No.
That
was over a year ago. I don't remember.
The factory one looks like a pencil. This one, not so much. It's like an inch, almost an inch.
It's a nice piece. So
7/8 probably. Yeah, it's nice.
Let's figure it out. So what are we doing right here?
We are going to get the wheels off the car, and since the car is so low, I don't have a jack that's this tall to use on the lift. So we're going to let it down on stands and put we're going to block it up with wood and get the gunny wheels off so we can get into the wheel well and make the roughly 2-inch hole that we need to make. I forget what size the hole is, but we'll figure it out.
Are we putting this Dodge, bumper and grill on there? Is that why that's there?
No. That's going to be your roll bar. And mount it to your helmet.
All right, well, let's go.
Take the propeller off, put on the helmet.
All right, so this is our kit from Territ Engineering. Nice anodized, beautiful piece, wouldn't you say?
So far, we'll see if it fits.
Well, it's not going to fit because it was never meant to be on this car. It's made for this car, but not made for this car, so to speak.
Yeah, because 911 front sway bar kit. Last time I checked, this was not a 911.
What are you talking about? It's all the same.
Is it?
Yeah, it's just like a VW Bug would probably work, But a Bugatti is a VW basically, so that would probably work the sway bar off of that. They're all the same, right? It's a VW.
Yeah.
In theory?
Yeah. People tend to get irritated when you say that, but...
Yep. So get in here and... So the easiest way is to get an old cap, and that centers where you're at. And then just make a drill hole and go from there. That's how to center it up.
Kind of hard to see because we're using a black cap, but you get the idea. There's the pilot hole.
Go ahead and stop. So that should be centered right there. It's on to and everything.
backwards, buddy.
This one cuts good. Just not up here. We're floated up with aluminum. We already passed that.
Oh, there we go. 3 tries and we got it.
I did use that one to cut some stainless.
This?
Yeah.
Come on, Harbor Freight.
Yep.
All right. So what do we got going, Jeremy?
Well, we got the holes cut, so we're able to put the main bar through. But now we got to make the 3 little holes through the car. Blah.
So what Jeremy's got is a transfer punch, so we get the holes in the right spot. What a transfer punch is it fits tight in the hole and it's got a small point on it. And everybody's gonna go nuts right now because using a claw hammer, but that's all I got.
What? All these tools you have, and this is all you got?
Well, that's all I got that'll fit in there. The ball peen hammer's missing. Let's drill that hole out and get that bolted in first, and then we can do the other 2. You want to do this side too?
Might as well.
Wash, rinse, and repeat. Same thing on this side. We're just gonna mark 1 hole, get a bolt in it.
Center from back there?
You got your money.
Get a bolt in it, and then we'll do the other 2 holes on each side, and we'll come back when it's bolted in and show you what we got.
Well, Pat, looks like you got out the big guns.
Yeah, we're gonna rearrange a little metal. The way this kit is and the way we drilled the holes, the factory little
Divot.
inset in there isn't gonna work quite right, so we're gonna make it work.
Push up on the red thing to show them what's going on.
So right about there, it binds up. There's a lip that sticks out on this side, maybe what, 1/2 inch or so. So we're gonna make it not stick out. Hopefully.
So you got it?
Yeah, you can see it looks good enough. I need to go a little more maybe right there. Lock it in solid, or are you gonna take it back out later?
We're gonna tighten it up, but that's gonna lock it in. So I wanna get it centered before we tighten the plates up.
Yeah, because you don't need to put these on right now, right?
No, not right now.
Because they're gonna have to go on with the bar going sliding in.
So where are we at, Patricio?
We got the bar in, we're just getting it centered and tightening up the collars. Okay, so I got 3 1/4. I got 2 inches.
You're saying yours is bigger than Tom?
You go on the backside?
What shims?
Those little fucking shims right there.
The red ones?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Spanky, where you at?
I got the bar in, on, it's not tightened down. Now I'm trying to get the mount to the control arm on.
That big, beautiful brake rotor.
Yeah, right in the way.
If it was easy, everyone would do this shit. See, people, shit like this is the reason you have to pay people so much damn money to custom build your cars. It's not that freaking easy, is it?
Not that hard, it's just fiddly.
Always something to mess with. All right, people, look at this setup.
Obviously some touch-up paint's gonna be required, but what it was this collar here, where we drilled the hole. We were kind of going off what we were told, and we basically fucked it up. So
What? No, we just changed our mind.
we didn't put it quite where it's supposed to be, so we had to rearrange some metal a little bit, but we got it in. Looks good. Obviously, it's not set 100% yet. We'll set it when the car's on the ground, on its wheels and tires, and set it on scale. We'll use the scales to get the weight even all the way around. Because the sway bar is, you know, if it's tight on one side, it's pushing down on the other. So we'll play with that once we get it on the ground. So all that's left in here is running the brake lines and wheels and tires. And we're not doing that today.
What?
All right, there you go. We got the sway bar all in, installed. Obviously, it's going to need to be adjusted once we get the all the weights set on the corners and everything. So it's semi-permanent. So that's it for this week's episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And if you're a new subscriber, leave a comment. We'll get back to you. Let us know you subscribed. And thanks for watching.
Get money to St. Jude, people. Thanks for watching. Bye.